Yeah, welcome back to the Shelton channel, folks. Shelton Show. I don't know. We're thinking. I'm actually thinking of another name. Thinking Dirt Dirty. Dirt Dirty. Yeah, I kind of liking that. I didn't find anything else on YouTube. I don't know. Always get dirty. I'm messing with the dirt, or I'm welding, or cutting, or grinding, and there's always dirt. Dirt everywhere. So yeah. We're actually gonna go to another buddy's house, and we're gonna use the tractor and the box blade and cut in some ditches on the side of his driveway. So let's get this rig unloaded and let's get this one loaded. Let's do it. Today we've got this ditch to clean up. So I'm gonna use the box blade and I'm gonna kind of get in at an angle, and I'm pretty much gonna drive in this ditch and try to make it more of a gradual slope. Then he's gonna put the rollout straw on it and call it it's rollout straw, feed it, call it a day. So I'll probably start up in there and work my way all the way down, and there's a water basin in there we put in, and I might dress this a little bit up over here too. So yeah, get y'all on tripod. Stay tuned. That's a lot better. Boss man over here cracking the whip all day, making me break a sweat. Had to go get his rake out because apparently I can't do a good enough job. But hey, there it is. Just like I said, which you've been seeing me. Ditched it from there all the way down, and then yeah, it's that time. We also got this side because he wouldn't let me go home. It is what it is. He brought me a beer though. Well, thanks for watching the Shelton Show. God bless. Catch you on the next one.